So once you have your clips ready to go, you have a good idea what kind of sound bites you want to use. Think about where you're going to put those clips based on the music. So let's say you have a track of music. You want to make sure that you're putting the soundbite in at like kind of like a point where the music goes low or there's a break in the music. You don't want to put it at the point when the music takes off and it's very, very loud and very exciting, because it'll be difficult to hear the music. So if you did have to do something like that, you want to make some changes and maybe put a karaoke or instrumental track in to cover that. But have an idea also of, where are the high and low points of the music, and then plan out. So if it's building up and it's getting exciting, you want kind of the pace to reflect that. Whereas if it's like a point when it's slow and suddenly it's very, it's quieter or something, then you might want like a longer clip to match that. So you want to look at the big picture and realize, okay, I have like some slow clips, I have some clips that I can use faster, and figure out where that's going to go. And also have a good idea, because you want to keep it fairly linear, especially in the terms of at least the section. So if it's a getting ready section, you're probably not going to jump. Your next shot's going to be a dancing section, your next shot's going to be a bow section. It's pretty much going to be the getting ready as a group most of the time. So have an idea also where you're going to put that linear section in relation to the song. So what I mean by that is that if you have one section that's like the verse or like a chorus, and you could fit in the bride getting ready into that section, well, that's great. And then if you have a point when it's changing, know that would be a good point for some part to change, either in the getting ready, or now we're moving to the groom getting ready. So something like that helps a lot too. So there, it's like it hasn't changed that much, but also they're still getting ready, but it has changed a little bit, especially with the addition of the piano there. So I've also kind of added a little zoom to help people know that there is a little bit of a change there. So take that big picture in mind, and what I also do is that not only do I mark the beats down here, I also will mark up here at the top parts where the verse or the chorus changes, and then I might say, okay, I have this section of the song to go through getting ready, and I have this section to have the bride getting ready, this section for the groom getting ready, this section for the first look, this section for the guests arriving. So I kind of plan it out like that, based on the music guiding me.